A tally chart is just simply put a chart made with tallies. You have in here labels, this one day, so obviously these are the days of the week. This is bugs caught, so this is the number of bugs caught per day of the week. Now with a tally chart, every 5 days, or for this one, every 5 days, you have something that looks like that. So for every 5, that's what it looks like. So if I were to, tally them up on Sunday here, it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then slash. Now the reason they do that is so it's easier to count. See, with these I can just count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28 very, very simply. But if I just put 28 lines in a row, now that's not 28 lines, but still, I can't count that very easily. And then I have to count each one individually, and I'm probably going to get screwed up or messed up along the way. So once again, every 5 we put on the 5th one we put a slash. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then slash on the 5th. And that when you see that right away, you know it's 5, and you can count it as 5. So for Saturday, 5, 10, 15, and then we count 1, 16, 17, 18. So Saturday's 18. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26. See, it's very easy to count the data when you can count the tallies by 5s rather than just counting them individually on 1. Now, just like any other graph, to figure out the range, I'm going to subtract the smallest from the largest. So our smallest, the smallest amount of bugs caught was Friday with 9, and our largest amount of bugs caught was Tuesday, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. 28 bugs caught on Tuesday. So to get the range, 28 minus 9. 8 minus 9, I can't do it, so I borrow. 18 minus 9 is 9. 1 minus nothing is nothing. So the range of this is 19 bugs. You might get questions with how many more or what's the difference between. With either questions with how many more or what's the difference between, you're always going to subtract. So if I said how many more bugs were caught on Wednesday than Friday, I would count up Wednesday, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, and I'd subtract Friday from Wednesday. 17 minus 9, and 17 minus 9 is 8. So the difference between the number of bugs caught on Wednesday and Friday was 8. If they asked how many more bugs were caught on Wednesday than Friday, I'd do the same thing. I subtract the big number from the small number. Now if they asked about a combined total, or how many bugs were caught on these 2 days together, then I'd add. So for example, if they said how many bugs were caught on Thursday and Friday together, or how many combined bugs were caught on Thursday and Friday, then I'd add up Thursday's 26 plus Friday's 9, and I'd end up with 35 bugs. So once again, if they are asking about more than one thing in a total amount, you're going to add them up, you're going to add them together. So tally charts, once again, we have our labels and we use tallies. Every 5 we have a slash, so we can easily count by 5s.